Hi everyone, welcome back to Micro Investor, where we do technical analysis and price predictions on many different cryptocurrencies every single day. Now in this video, we're going to be talking about Dogecoin and picking up where we left off in the previous Dogecoin video. Now I apologize, I did not make a Dogecoin video yesterday. I know a lot of people have become accustomed to me making a Dogecoin video every single day. So this video, I got a little bit more to talk about here because there's actually some nice things going on with the Dogecoin chart. So some things that are looking positive. Maybe some technicals will get adjusted a little bit here. But we really need to look at what we've been calling everything here that's been going on with Dogecoin, because originally we had different ideas about what was going on with Dogecoin. And obviously this whole situation that's been going on with FTX that has completely just changed the entire market. And a lot of our accounts that we had for Dogecoin are completely gone now, because we're not going to use the same LA wave theory that we were using before. We can't use that because what we thought was a wave 4 ended up not being a wave 4. We can't count it because it ended up falling below where we were originally calling our wave A. So what I'm looking at right now, I'm just using this at the moment because we're looking at some corrective waves, and what we have since the 52-week low that we had with Dogecoin back in the middle of June, we're saying that's the A wave right now. We're looking at these trend changes. So we're saying that's the A wave. The A wave had completed in the middle of August. Then we've come down within our B wave, and that was in the middle of October. And then we went up within our C wave at that time. And then that was at the end of October, we went up within our C wave. So then after we got the C wave, we were originally calling that our wave 3. We're originally calling it a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3. And then we were expecting at some point within these subwaves that we were going to see these subwaves have a breakout, and we were going to extend that next wave a little bit, but that ended up not happening. So we came down, which would have been a wave 4, but then we ended up falling even below where we would have called our wave 1. So now we're just saying that's a wave A for simplicity reasons. So that's a corrective wave now that we have at the moment. And we have other corrective waves that we're currently using, but we also do have a count that we are using within our corrective waves. And we have currently a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, a possible wave 4. And this is all coming down to the downside, which we could be seeing a wave 5 still be in play to the downside. But that could change. And that's just due to the fact that here on the 4-hour chart, what you guys can see is we currently have this type of pattern here in the works. And since we have a pattern that is moving to the upside, but we still don't have anything that is really crossing, above this point here. So we're not looking at this as being that much right now, but this could possibly be turning into something, and that's the part that I want to watch. And especially if we look at this consolidation, if this does become a triangular pattern, this could either be a bullish or bearish pattern, and that would be all about how this consolidation really plays out, because this could turn out to be an A, B, C, D, E wave. If we have a nice E wave on the bottom, then in that case, we could be seeing a possible breakout to the upside, and that could change things around a little bit. So then we can do a different count on our waves, and we can possibly be seeing a bullish pattern in the works, but nothing at the moment is really crossing over to make it anything other than a wave 4 to the that's going to have a wave 5 to the downside. So nothing's saying anything otherwise at the moment, but within the next Dogecoin video, there might be something else there in the works, and that's the possibility. Now, keep in mind too, for anybody that thinks that this could turn into a possible bullish pattern, if it is a rising wedge, which it looks like a rising wedge as well, a rising wedge pattern is actually a bearish pattern, and that would mean that the price would still come down. It's all about how it's going to consolidate within these trend lines. So if I say A, B, C, D, E waves within it, that doesn't mean that there's going to be a breakout to the upside, because this could consolidate a lot more than what I'm even counting. This could have multiple waves within it, still from this point, and it could just consolidate more and more. And we wouldn't say A, B, C, D, E, F, G. You wouldn't go on and just counting a bunch of different waves. In that case, what would happen with the continued consolidation, the price could end up just easily falling through. So keep that in mind too, because I want to make sure that I specify that clearly, that just because something's forming within a pattern is never always something bullish or bearish. I mean, it's always unpredictable about what it's going to do. So right now, within the technicals, it's still, to me, it's still telling me that the price is going to be coming down. Now, a nice thing though, with looking at this, we can see that Dogecoin has managed to actually find some support within the price right now. So that's good to see that there's a little bit of support, but I'm still not completely even over the fact that the FTX thing is done with. So I still think that that's still got more drama that's going to also send all crypto down more as well. And I'm hoping that we don't see Dogecoin get too affected by that. But Dogecoin has been doing much better than many other cryptocurrencies. If you compare the timeline, if you compare where Dogecoin is currently at right now in comparison to where it was, just a couple of weeks ago or at the end of October, then Dogecoin's still looking really nice because it's, even up a little bit from that time. So that's nice to see. The Dogecoin is still managing to hold on very nicely, and it's just really all about where that wave 5, if it comes down one more time, where that wave 5 could be taking us, and hopefully not too low. I'm hoping it's not going to be coming down below the 52-week low, and in that case, that's going to be great because many other cryptocurrencies have fallen through their 52-week low, and Dogecoin still has not done that. So as far as things go with Dogecoin, things are still looking really good in my opinion, and it's performing much better than many of the other altcoins that are out there, and that's what I like about it. So I wouldn't really anticipate too much with Elon Musk possibly tweeting, but who knows what he's going to do. But I would still, my personal opinion, not advice, I would still not take any sort of a major stance with investing in the Dogecoin right now, just due to the fact that it's got the good possibility of having a better price to buy into, but who knows? But anyways, that's the current Dogecoin video. I'd like to hear your guys' thoughts, opinions. Do you guys think it's coming down one more time? And if it does, where do you guys think the price might be coming to? So I was saying that it could be coming down to around 5.5 cents, 6 cents, 5.5 cents, somewhere around there. Hopefully not too low. Is where I think that we could be seeing a Dogecoin going. So I'd like to hear your thoughts, opinions. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. New content coming out all the time. I talk about Dogecoin usually every day lately, Bitcoin every day, Ethereum every day, and many other altcoins as well. I'll see you all in the next one. Thank you for watching, listening.